They ain't gotta be pretty. They gotta be tasty.
Oh, they gonna be that.
All right, YouTube family. Hello and welcome to another episode of This and That. Yes, indeed. It's my brother-in-law, Richard Smith. You've seen him in previous videos where we did some a catch, clean, and cook on a couple of fish, and we did it up. Today, we are going right here with some lobster tails. How many lobster tails we got, brother-in-law?
We got 6 in there, I do believe. Yes,
6 lobster tails. Now, this is our first time doing lobster tail, and we're doing them on the barbecue pit. So if y'all having company over for Thanksgiving and for the holidays, this is a good idea. And what we're doing is we got a fire going back there. But we're gonna try cooking these on indirect heat right here on this side, because I think they're supposed to be around 300, 350 degrees.
Yeah.
And the pit right now is around 500 degrees. So we're gonna go ahead and put them on. Let's do this, brother-in-law.
Yes, sir, we're gonna give it a shot here. You know, us northern boys,
Yeah, he's from Pennsylvania.
we don't know too much about this here. We know about eating them.
Yes, indeed.
We don't
But
know
usually
about
restaurant style.
Yes, sir. This here is Butler style.
Yes, indeed.
Y'all excuse my hands, but they're clean.
They are clean.
I just washed and prepared the lobsters with a little lemon juice in them, a little accent. Put a stick of butter in the middle of them so it'll melt down. As you can see, it's at a perfect slant. Well,
Yep.
most of them is.
And we went to our local expert, YouTube,
Yes, sir.
to figure out how to do this. And that's what the video we found that was the best with this technique right here. So it's hopefully they come out right, huh?
Delicious, I hope. I got some melted butter and garlic in the house on low heat.
All right, now it says to close the lid and don't open it for 15 minutes. All right, fam, there you go. And we'll see y'all in 15 minutes.
Yes, sir.
All right, fam. We're at about the 15-minute mark. And as soon as we put the lobster tails on, we remembered we had some mushrooms, stuffed mushrooms in the house. So we grabbed the stuffed mushrooms and we added those to the game plan. So now, all right, brother-in-law, it's about time. Let's open it up and see what we're working with. And boom.
Ooh-wee.
Looking good, fam.
Sure is. I think the tails is ready.
I think the tails are ready too, brother-in-law.
Looks like it's dripping juice.
I think they're ready.
Yeah, it is. These ain't quite ready. Ooh.
It's hot, huh?
Yeah,
500 degrees on that side. I think I overdid it with the charcoal just a little
a
bit.
little bit. No, we can't handle it.
Absolutely. Y'all hear in the background, we got our neighbors up there putting their own roof on their house.
And they doing it.
They are doing it. They're doing it up. So that's part of the recovery plan from the hurricanes. All right, we're gonna go ahead and pull these tails and see what we're working with. Stuck right there in the crack.
Yeah, it is. Oh, thank you kindly. Look at that.
Oh yeah.
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah.
Oh, don't you go nowhere.
Don't you go in there.
Cause I'm sure gonna get you. Maybe I should have let you take them off for the camera.
Nah. They ain't gotta be pretty. They gotta be tasty.
Oh, they gonna be that.
All right, those mushrooms over this fire, so it probably ain't gonna take them but another minute or two. Oh yeah. We leave them on there about. You want to put them on the indirect heat side?
Okay.
There you go.
They cook good. Got some little snacks to go with it.
Oh yeah. Can't just have lobster tail. All right, fam, we're gonna take these lobster tails inside and coat them with a little seasoning that we got on the stove, and we're gonna do a taste test and see what we're working with. Oh, yes.
Oh, yes.
So you're gonna just go ahead and drench the butter over those
Yeah, we can use the rest of
for the mushrooms.
the dip.
Ah,
My little. Let them cool down a little bit. Put a little heat on it. Get that butter back melty.
all
It
right.
will melt from that hot lobster.
All right, I'm gonna go pull the mushrooms off, and then we're gonna see what we're working with.
Yeah, let me see me pour this delicious sauce over here.
You gonna pour it over there now?
Yeah. While he's still warm. We just gonna sprinkle a little bit down in there. That garlic and hot butter. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my. Woo.
Oh yeah. All right, let's go. I'm gonna go pour those mushrooms off.
Okay.
All right, we're gonna cut a mushroom open and see if they're done all the way through.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Perfect.
Yes, indeed. Yeah, they are doing the same thing I'm doing. I got one in the burn barrel. All right, fam. Up next is the taste test. Well, y'all stay tuned. We'll be right.
Here, I'll hold it while you do your taste test then. All right, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Can't wait to see this face whenever he takes his first bite.
Me too, so I know what I'm working with.
You gonna share one, bro?
Yeah, go and bust him open. Let's see.
All right, let's see what these two jokers is working with.
All right. Nice. You have to use a hand.
Yeah, man.
You already put the butter on there?
Yep.
Yep, butter, garlic. This is our first attempt at it, so you
Yeah.
guys gotta be
Y'all be patient.
dip that in your sauce over there, brother. No. Tell me what it is.
Right here?
Yeah, man.
All right, fam. Here goes. Brother.
I'll get my own.
All right. All right. All right.
All right, here's the real test here.
Weird.
This is a food connoisseur.
It's real smoky. Maybe we might have over smoked them. They are smoking. Go ahead.
Let's see what they
You said
what
we
y'all
put that
working
much
with.
chips in?
Yeah. And the garlic.
All right, let's see Richie's expertise on how to open this joker up. Oh, his hands is in the way.
I'm sorry, but I gotta get to it. Ooh, man.
Is it good then?
I can't wait.
Oh, I'm thinking I got my knife in my hand.
All right, he gonna slice it up all delicate like.
No, I gotta get that piece of bone out the way
Oh, no, the bone up in there.
so I can chew it.
All right now.
Y'all excuse my fingers. I'll get back proper for you. Okay.
All right, here we go with the dipping in the sauce.
Maybe we should put that on low there. That heat there brought down.
Watch out. Richie, look this way, Richie.
Mm-mm. That's not too smoky.
All right. All right.
Richard.
What you think? Talk to me.
I think you put your feet in there.
Mm-hmm.
They too busy patting each other on the back to complete the video, y'all.
Well, with the video is being completed, because we finna eat it.
Oh, but
It just
these,
don't peel off the shell like I thought it should.
Mine
okay.
come right out.
Just to give y'all some context, these two
Watch it.
jokers been married to me and my sister for 30-something years, and they met about 10 years ago, and they've been best buds ever since.
Mm-hmm.
Ain't they lucky?
Uh-huh. Y'all the lucky ones.
Oh, yeah. All right.
All right, you guys.
All right, fam.
You get a
Hold
shot of
up.
the mushroom?
Hold up. Hold up. I gotta try a mushroom.
Hold on, let me get a good shot. All right.
Mm-hmm. There you go.
Let me get some of this. Mm.
Mm-hmm.
It's a good one.
What? Well, oh, yeah. Mm-hmm. All right, fam. Ooh. All I got to say is, this has been a good little experiment. I enjoyed this. What you think?
He's eating.
All right, fam. That's just seal of approval.
Yes, the seal of
When he
approval.
pop, seal of approval. All right, fam. If y'all enjoyed this little video, y'all give it a thumbs up.
Yeah.
If not, give it a thumb down and a brief reason why in the comment section. We really enjoyed. We had fun doing this video.
Oh, yeah.
If y'all like what we're doing here, this and that, y'all consider becoming subscribers. If you do subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time we what?
Drop one of these
Awesome videos.
All right.
Peace.
Peace. Here, Daddy.
Thank
All
you.
right. Let me taste one of these.